Hi, I'm Emily, and the vitamin I will be presenting is choline. Choline was first recognized by the Institute of Medicine as an essential nutrient in 1998. It cannot be considered a B vitamin because it does not have a coenzyme function, and the amount in the body is much greater than that of the B vitamins. The adequate intake of choline for adult men is 550 milligrams per day, and for women it is 425 milligrams per day. A survey from What We Eat America suggests that the average choline intake falls short, with adult males consuming around 396 milligrams per day and adult females consuming around 260 milligrams per day. The upper level intake for adults is 3.5 grams per day. Also, there is no recommended dietary allowance for choline. The body needs choline to synthesize phosphatidylcholine and sphingomyelin, which are two major phospholipids vital for cell membranes. So this means that all plant and animal cells need choline to preserve their structural integrity. Choline use and requirements are high during pregnancy and the first year of life because of the rapid growth of brain and nervous tissue during these times. Choline also functions as a precursor for acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter associated with attention, learning, memory, muscle control, and other functions as well. Choline has been found to be responsible for the liver export of VLDL, which is very low density lipoprotein. Choline is also an important source of methyl groups, which are required in several reactions in the body. Supplementation of choline in healthy men has shown to decrease homocysteine concentrations, and choline forms betaine, which can be used to form methionine from homocysteine. Research suggests that high choline intakes are associated with lower plasma concentrations of the C-reactive protein, which indicates inflammation. Since inflammation increases the risk of cardiovascular disease, choline may offer protection against it. Choline is found either as a free choline or part of another compound, such as lecithin. Lecithin can be added to food during processing, and it is a major source of choline. Other major sources include milk, eggs, chicken, beef, and pork, as well as grains, nuts, vegetables, and fruits. There are no deficiency diseases associated with choline, although a deficiency of choline can create a condition called fatty liver, which is where fat stores on the liver are increased and the liver does not work efficiently as it gets damaged from the fat stores. Although most people in the United States consume less than the average intake of choline, choline deficiency in healthy, non-pregnant individuals is very rare, probably because of the contribution of choline that the body synthesizes on its own. Choline is a relatively non-toxic vitamin, except at exceedingly high doses. In cases like this, symptoms like fishy body odor, low blood pressure, vomiting, salivation, sweating, and GI tract problems can occur. There are no diseases associated with choline, probably because our bodies make some of it and it is present in most foods. Choline can be synthesized in cells, although synthesis alone is not sufficient to meet choline requirements, so we must get it through outside sources as well. Choline is absorbed from the small intestines by way of transport proteins. The liver takes up choline rapidly from the blood delivery by the portal vein from the small intestine. All tissues contain some stores of choline. Some choline is excreted in the urine, but most of the excess is converted to a related donor of single carbon groups, like betaine. My fun fact is that studies have been conducted using rats to see if feeding them foods rich in choline very early in life would diminish the severity of memory problems with old age. The study showed that choline does indeed enhance cognitive functioning.